Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Oh my gosh, so today is the first official day of Bath and Body Works Candle Day. But Candle Day goes Friday the 6th, Saturday the 7th, and Sunday the 8th. You can do this either online or in store. And to get these candles for $9.95, well, there's a bit of magic to it because that is a rock bottom price. One of the candles that I grabbed, I think, was like, gosh, it was just under $30. So to get it, for a third of the cost, that is the magic of Candle Day. Today I stocked up on 12 of them. Unfortunately, I didn't have like a 20% off coupon. I usually always have some sort of percentage off coupon. I had nothing. But I did find a little something to work with this, so I wasn't paying so much out of pocket. If you have a Sam's Club membership, I think it's for the next couple days, you can get a $50 gift card for Bath and Body Works, a $50 gift card, and pay $39.98. So it's a savings of $10, and you can do it twice per card. So if you are part of Sam's Club, that's some savings right there. To pay $79.96 for two gift cards, and it's a savings of like $20. So I mean, if you want to do it that way, I ordered my gift cards and they arrived within like 5 minutes to my email. I got the cashier to scan them at Bath and Body Works. It worked perfectly. So if you buy 6 candles, you're going to get the little bag that they give, and basically it fits one of those crates at the bottom. You have to buy a minimum of 6 candles to get this bag, though. They were very strict. And I also noticed something kind of interesting because I showed up later. Like, I was in the store around noon today, and there was no lineup. There was no like shoulder to shoulder candle ladies. It was probably like about 9 associates, myself, and another lady at noon on a Friday. It was just really weird. And I kind of looked at one of the associates. I'm like, what's going on? And she just said business has been really slow and that, there wasn't a lot of traffic. And I was really surprised by that. I thought that it would just be like shoulder to shoulder people, but it was like slower. So, I mean, obviously the cheaper way to do this is if you have IBOTTA, fetch gift cards, or if you have a Sam's Club membership, to do it that way. So you're saving a little bit of money. Because even with that Sam's Club gift card or gift cards, because I did 2, I basically got 2 candles for free. And unfortunately, I don't know why Bath and Body Works didn't give me a percentage off. I even asked at the front, asked a manager really nice, and they're like, we don't have any percentage off coupons. So I was out of it. I couldn't get the big old Price is Right moment, but I'm happy with what I got. So I got a lot of gift candles and then a lot of candles in duplicates because we burn them all year long. And I do love the Christmas candles. So we're just going to go through my little haul. I'm going to try and make this video as quick as possible. The first is 'Tis the Season, and these are all 3-wick candles that are $9.95. The scent notes are rich red apples, sweet cinnamon, and cedarwood. This one smells like a gorgeous simmer pot that's been on your stove all day long. Magic to this one. The next one is Cookie Butter Truffle. I think I might have to go back again tomorrow to get one more of these. And the scent notes is cookie butter, whipped cream, and vanilla extract. It smells like baking, and if you are not much of a baker like yours truly, I always love to have a couple of these this time of the year just to make the house extra cozy. This is a great one. It's called Hot Cocoa and Cream, with the scent notes of decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. It has a very heavy chocolate scent. If you're a little mosquito or carnivore, it's nice to smell this stuff that you're not eating. And this is a very nice one. And then I also got one of these gingerbread bakery. My whole kitchen is a lot of gingerbread stuff this year, so I thought it would be really cute. And we have the notes of gingerbread cookies, brown sugar, icing, and cinnamon spice. It's just a very spicy sort of candle, and there's nothing wrong with that. I did get roughly about 6 of these. Any kind of tree candle is my husband's favorite, and he burns them downstairs. This one is Under the Christmas Tree. The scent notes are fir balsam, juniper berries, vanilla eggnog, and sage leaves. This one is very identical to the winter candle, and they didn't have a single winter candle at the store. I think somebody went and bought all of them, but this one has that smokiness, so kind of a dupe in my book. And another tree one that I got for my husband is Tree Farm. This is one of his favorite. It is crisp pine needles, warm cedar, and spiced apples. That apple note, I don't really smell it, but it just smells like a really nice tree. Last couple ones that I picked up are just for gifts throughout the year. I picked up one vanilla bean, Madagascar vanilla bean, homemade marshmallows, and warm cinnamon nutmeg. Just a very pleasant vanilla candle. I only picked up one of this one, but I think I might have to go get another one tomorrow. It's coffee. Enjoy a room filling aroma of fresh coffee beans as you pour yourself a cup of ambition. I wonder what Dolly thinks of that, but it's a really great candle. And the last one is Emily in Paris. It is the macaroon or macaron cloud. Macaroon Delight, Parisian spun sugar, and pink berries. It's a very pleasant, girly, foo-foo kind. Look at that price point on the left of $29.95. That is expensive. So for $9.95, are you heading out this weekend? That's the question, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.